Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Smart Auto 24. Today topic is 2022 Komaki DT3000 electric scooter. Electric two-wheeler Banavannya Komakine Friday New A. Electric scooter Komaki DT3000 chi announcement Kelly. According to the company's reputation, the same scooter market adhich existential aslayya electric s. Scooterla collision denari threl. Delhiit or a scooter ex-showroom price 115,000 rupees. Scooters are available in Sarvach dealerships only on Fridaypassoon. At the end of Komakine Varshi, the third production calendar year, has been launched. Our Eastern company a Ranger and Venice summary two-wheeler chan. A response would have been mixed. Electric scooter Komaki DT3000 medium 3000 Watt BLDC motor has come due. There is a 62V52 adhich battery in the tsch. Scooter. A notable feature is the DT3000 single charger with 180 to 220 km mileage, and the top speed of the scooter is 90 km/h. Photo issued Banana no compan. Posted or a scooter's photo issued Banana no. When you buy an a scooter or your own, you can go to the dealership or get the scooter's look and other FEA. Yours. Indian customers doon best response midday. आम्ही pana DT3000 ही स्पीड स्कूटर क्या मध्यातून लोकांची मेने जिंकण्यासाठी रेडी आहोत. The DT3000 has only 3000 W BLDC motor and 62V52 AH patented lithium battery to offer. Thank you for watching.